Hey everyone, welcome to the SS Academy. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the choosing correct text editor for writing HTML. Okay guys, our first text editor is the brackets. You can use this brackets for writing HTML, and I can say that it is a good option for beginners. I have here other, and that is Sublime Text, and I can say that Sublime Text for me is the better than brackets. And we have here the Visual Studio, and that is coming from the Microsoft. If you wrote the code in the C# or in another language, maybe you use this Microsoft Visual Studio. And if you ever use this Microsoft Visual Studio, you can also use Microsoft Visual Studio for writing HTML. Okay, and I have here the last of all, I have here the Atom. I highly recommend using this Atom because when I was learning HTML, CSS, I learned using Atom. And while this course, we will use Atom as a text editor, okay? But like I said before, you can use Visual Studio, Sublime Text, or the brackets. In the next video, I'm gonna show you guys that using the text editor is not actually matter. Okay, what matter is you. What matter is how you write your HTMLs. Okay guys, let's finish this lesson here. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you that the writing HTML in the other text editor doesn't matter actually.